Welcome to this video. In this video we'll discuss about arithmetic operator, that is mod operator. Okay, so using percentage symbol we can represent mod operator. So first we have to include standard input output header file because we'll be using printf in our program. So we should write main function. Okay, so here let us take one problem and solve. Okay, there are totally 10 cakes. Okay, so we have to divide it for 3 children. Okay, so how many will be remaining? So if we want to solve this problem, we can make use of mod operator. So remainder operator we can use. Okay, so int total cakes. Okay, total number of cakes. Okay, then number of children. Okay, then remaining cakes we want to find out. Okay, so total number of cakes in this problem given is 20. Okay, and number of children given in this problem is 3. So now how many remaining cakes we want to find out? That's equal to total cakes mod number of children. Okay, so now 20 mod 3. So 6 3s are 18, so remainder will be 2. That will be printed. Okay, so now remaining cakes count. If you want to print, you can print it %d. Okay, and remaining cakes I am printing. So now let's see what is that. So here total cakes value will be 20 mod 3. So 6 3s are 18, remainder will be 2. So that will be stored. Okay, so I hope using mod operator is clear to you all. Okay, thank you for watching this video.